Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be talking about a community that you should think if you're wanting to move in North Austin. For those that are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and press that like button, as I'll be talking about different communities and also featuring new construction builders for you to get a knowledge of. Parkside on the river is a master plan community. This community offers several builders, not just one, but 3 to 5 different builders. This community has 3 different amenity centers. They're all in construction right now, so that tells you that this community just opened up and has many more homes coming in. When you're in this community, it's easy to get in and out of the community. It's got 3 different entrances, and getting in to your downtown is about roughly 40 minutes. Getting into the airport is also roughly about 40 minutes. Another thing that you want to know about this community is some of the homes will fall under Georgetown ISD and others will fall under Leander ISD. Now, within the 3 amenity centers, you'll have playgrounds, swimming pools, and also nice bike and hike trails for you all to use. Also, for your day-to-day living style, HEB, Target, everything else is very close by, where you guys can go to the Wolf Ranch Town Center nearby, roughly about 15 minutes away from here. And if you guys are thinking to build a new construction home, you guys have choices from different size of the lots. You guys can pick the lot, see what you guys want, design the house the way you want it. Of course, some of the lots will have the lot premium, but obviously you guys get to budget that in. And also, when you're designing a home, a brand new construction home, make sure you're adding 10 to 20% of the cost of your base price that you're thinking of, because the design options will also cost roughly that much. You can also think about doing a resale, not that many, because this is a brand new construction home and a new community that build up, so there might be very few resale homes that you guys can get into. Another thing that you guys want to consider is the inventory homes that they have. Those homes will obviously be at a great price point because their builder wants to try to sell them as soon as possible. So if you're looking for a deal in a house, I would say let's connect, let me know, and I can get with the sales rep, as I've closed several homes in this same community and I've known all the sales reps that are here to get you guys the deal and the negotiation needed to move into this beautiful community. And we can't wait to help you guys out.